So at this point, we realize the real application of chemistry in our everyday lives. Indeed, it plays a crucial role in the development and prosperity of a certain nation. We can improve the quality of life with the real application of chemistry. So for now, let's try to define the word chemistry as part of the introduction of our new topic. So basically, based from your prior knowledge, chemistry falls under the concept, or let's say it falls under the applied sciences. So applied sciences deals with the study of nature, in which you try to exclude the concept of life. Okay, on the contrary, life sciences deals with the study of the living organisms and the interaction with its environment. So going back to our discussion at this point, chemistry focus on the study of matter. Okay, so let's try to write it down. So our keyword here is the word chemistry. And based from our prior knowledge, we define chemistry as the study of matter. It is the study of matter. And we can define matter as anything that occupies space and has mass. Anything that occupies space and has mass. Okay, so anything that we can perceive from our surroundings, from the environment, through the use of our five major senses, are examples of matter. And this is the main concern of chemistry. So the air that we breathe, the water that we drink, the food that we eat, it also includes the different modes of transportation, the celestial objects in the outer space, are examples of matter. So all of these examples, they occupy a certain space and they have their corresponding, let's say, mass as its physical quantity. So mass can be defined as the quantity, or let's say it is the amount of substance present in that particular sample of matter. So, if we will analyze this one by one, chemistry can focus on the following scopes. If you are dealing with chemistry, it is the study of matter when it comes to its number 1, structure, number 2, composition, number 3, properties, and then the last, its transformation. So therefore, to sum it up, chemistry is the study of matter, its structure, its composition, its properties, and its transformation.